Those are face cream, or let's call them moisturizers, which I use for the last 5 months, and I'm gonna take you through them. So in that case, you will know if I'm gonna repurchase them or not, and also I'm gonna give you my opinion. So in that case, if you come upon them, you can decide if it's worth checking out or not. This one, it's from Misha, Korean brand, is their Super Aqua, one of their lines in between. 10 hyaluronic acid, fresh and gentle emulsion help balance both dry and oily skin. It comes in a huge container because it's 130 ml, 4.4 ounce. This is similar to the L'Oreal Hydrogenius. It's a lotion which provides hydration. It's light in texture, and because of it, you can easily layer it. Did I like it? Yes. Did I use it up? Yes. Were I a purchase? Not at the moment, but yes. If you're looking for something which comes in a big container and it's gonna last you for a long time, it's not gonna clog your pores, this one it's worth checking out. And talking about something which does the job is the CeraVe, the classic CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin. Moisturize helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It's simple, it does its job, it's affordable, and you can buy anywhere. I went through few of those and I like it. Also, these products come in many sizes. This is one of those things which it doesn't matter what skin type you have, this it will work. And yeah, I do like it. Also, you can use this on your body because it has those good ingredients. Ooh. Then from Jaya, I have their goat milk concentrated moisturizer with SPF 20, and I have two of those. I use this product for the last few years. I went through many and many of those. Those are two currents. Those two are my current empties, but right now in my bathroom I have one more. It has a thicker consistency. This product has a thicker consistency, so it's not as light as this. So yes, you will have to not work it out, but it will give you that let's call it winter protection, and that's one of the reasons why I like it, because it's heavier. It's perfect, and ooh, it's perfect underneath the makeup. Since I mentioned makeup, Embryolisse, which is used by many makeup artists, it's a moisturizer. You can use this as a face mask, you can use this as a primer. This thing took me by surprise because I thought it's heavy in texture. No, it's not. It's really nice light moisturizer which hydrates your skin. You can use this many ways. Multifunction nourishing moisturizer, makeup primer, moisturizing mask. For supple, plumped skin, soft, smooth, radiant complexion, use morning or night as a makeup base, moisturizer, cleanser, or mask. This particular one, it's 75 ml, 2.5 ounce. I bought it, I use it up, and guess what? I do not mind rebuying this one again. Then from Paula's Choice, something which I want to finish her up. Resist Intensive Repair Cream, dry, very dry with retinol. Intensely hydrate dry skin, repair multi% of aging, create smooth, even tone skin. It comes with a pump. It comes with a pump, which is nice. It's 50 ounce, which is 1.7 ml. I have this for a long time, so I just want to finish her up. If you're starting with retinol, products with small percentage of retinol are good. Why? Because they're not too strong, but also it gives your skin time to adjust. So for example, you can use like a moisturizer, then slowly move over to the serums, and then slowly introduce the, let's call it 1 or 2% retinol. Either way, it was a nice product. No, I'm not gonna repurchase because I have many others in my collection. Then something similar to this was from Estee Lauder, that was their nutritious line. And yes, super pomegranate radiant energy milky lotion, and that's what it was. It was a milky lotion which provides hydration. I spoke about Embryolisse from Bobbi Brown. I have their makeup base. Vitamin enriched face base, shea butter, vitamin C, E. Even though they say makeup base, you can easily use this as a moisturizer because of those rich ingredients. Come on. But as a moisturizer, it performed well, and as a makeup base, it make my makeup go smoother. This is a small size, the big one is like way bigger. Yes, I did use it up. No, I'm not gonna repurchase. Then I have couple moisturizers from Jaya. So let's start with this. That's the goat milk hydrating hydrating cream for dry skin. With the goat milk, or should say the goat milk line has many items. This particular one, it's for the day, or I should say they have two creams, one for the day, one for the night. The one with one goat, it's for the day, meaning it's lightened in texture. So this is like this, except this is lightened, this is way heavier and comes with SPF. However, nice thing about this, you can apply this every couple hours in case if your skin is dry, and it will provide hydration. Then another cream was the jasmine. No, it was the cream for, let's call it mature skin, anti-wrinkle with coenzyme Q10 and vitamin E. I do enjoy Q10 serums on its own, and vitamin E, it's a wonderful ingredient. So if I see vitamin E as one of the ingredients in the moisturizers, that's the reason why I'm gonna purchase. And this one, it was quite nice. It was a moisturizer which glide on the skin, provide hydration, and it did what it's supposed to. Whether will I repurchase? I think I have one more in my stash, because when I'm flying to Europe, that's when I'm gonna buy more products, or at least the one which are not available here, and that's why you're gonna see multiples. Either way, I do have one more. No, I'm not gonna repurchase at the moment. This was nice moisturizer from Indeed Lab. That's their menopause restorative cream with Sika. Sika, it's a, let's call it kind of a grass which is supposed to suit your skin, and that's what it was. It was a moisturizer which, let's call it, take the redness a little bit down. I did use it up. I think I have one more in my collection. Couple years ago, I did purchase a lot of items from Indeed Lab, and that's the reason why I still have them. And currently I'm trying to finish what I have. Vichy, their Aqua Rich, no, Aqua Thermal Rich Moisturizer. Aqua Thermal, it's their hydrating line, and rich because the moisturizer in texture it's a little bit heavier than the regular one. I did have this one in the past. It's a moisturizer which provides hydration. The nice thing about French pharmacy brands, they're simple. They have simple ingredients and they provide your skin. The nice thing about French pharmacy brands, they're simple and they give your skin whatever it needs. So, for example, CeraVe, it's the brand made by dermatologists. So this is all. So let's call it, this is the same, except this is dermatologist brand. This one you can buy at the pharmacist, and also it has the thermal water, which has many minerals and benefits for your skin. I have this one in the past, and I don't mind rebuying, but not at the moment. Then I have next is the small Nivea cream. It's one of those classics which you cannot really go wrong with, especially that couple weeks ago we have that polar vortex and it was so cold. I was only using this is the small size. Currently I have a bigger container which is more than halfway done, and yes, I do like it. In fact, I have Nivea cream on my face right now because I need some good base for my foundation. So yes, I do like it. I enjoy it. I think I have like 2 or 3 of their bigger tubes waiting for me, or I should say in my stash. Then from Evelyn Cosmetics, it's their ceramides line, and come on, come on, come on, come on. it's the Ceramide Derma Solution Probiotic Intensely Regenerating Cream with Ceramides Skin Barrier Repair. And what do you do? Brings instant relief and nourishment to the skin. Highly concentrated formula enriched with pre and probiotics leaves the feeling of comfortable oiliness, reduces visibility of tiny wrinkles, as well as provide 40-hour hydration and microbiome balance. Yeah, here we go. I did finish it up, and you know what? I like it. In fact, I used this product so fast, I was surprised. It's a 50 ml, 1.7 ounce. From this line, I have their serum, which was milky in texture, but I do like this one, and I don't mind rebuying. And ceramides that naturally occur in our skin. And here we go. CeraVe, it's from Cera, from the ceramides, and that could be one of the reasons why I do like it. Yes, I do see myself repurchasing this item, and I'm glad I'm doing this video, because when I'm gonna fly to Europe, I will have to keep a lookout for this item. But yes, I did like it. It was, let's call it, light in texture. Even though it was moisturizer, it wasn't heavy, so I can say it was a texture of this. It did provide hydration, but it wasn't heavy at all. Couple creams from Estee, Revitalizing Supreme Plus, Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream, and I have two of those. One is the 15 ml, which is half an ounce, and this 1 ounce 30 ml. Usually they come in a set or some kind of a gift, and that's when I'm trying to take advantage of it. I use this on and off. If I have it in mustache, I will use it. If not, oh well, I'm not gonna be sorry for it. It's a pleasant moisturizer which provides hydration. However, it's not cheap, so that's one of the reasons why usually I'm waiting for sale. And then from the same brand, it's the Resilience Multi-Effect Night. That's where it was. Oh no, those are two different creams. So first, okay, so this is the same line, except those are two different products. Resilience Multi-Effect Tripeptide Face and Neck Cream SPF 15. Because it has peptides, that's why I use it. Okay, it has peptides and SPF. Either way, because of the peptides, that's why I use it. And the second one is the Tripeptides Face and Neck Cream. And apparently this one is for the night. Even though it says for the neck, I think I was using for both face and neck. It was a heavier moisturizer, but similarly as with this, because of the peptides, I did use it up. Then another from the same brand, Nightwear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream. It was a moisturizer, smell nice. Yeah, and that's what it was. Second to the last from IT Cosmetics, it's their Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream Anti-Aging Armor. This reminded me a little bit of this. Not exactly, but it was a moisturizer. It did its job. And then the last one is from Jaya. That's their, come on, show yourself. This moisturizer is from Jaya. That's their line with saffron. This particular one, it's for the night. It has peptides, hyaluronic acid, saffron. This cream, even though it says it's for mature skin, it took me by surprise. It gives you immediate hydration and make your skin look really, really good. It's one of those things which, you know what, I do not mind rebuying, and possible I will, because I do enjoy it. You know, when you have the comfortable cream, when you just put it on and when you have a comfortable cream, it doesn't matter what state your skin is. Every time when you put it on, your skin will look good. So this is something similar. So let's say from this line, I like their avocado cream, because it's like half oily cream, but it provides hydration. So this is something similar. I will rebuy it. I do have many items from this brand, and currently I'm keeping the empties, so in a few months I can just make a video and show you what I actually use, and maybe show you what I repurchase. Either way, I see you next time. Bye for now.